Okay.
Hello. So good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Annabelle Valar, and today I'm going to do patient positioning. What is patient positioning? Patient positioning involves maintaining neutral body alignment to the patient, so while preventing hyperextension and extreme lateral rotation to avoid complications of immobility and injury. So what to also what to remember. So so first I'm going to do the 12 sequence. So 12 sequence done. Then I'm going to remove the top sheet and place it in horizontal fan folding. Okay. Then next, first we're going to do the supine or back-lying dorsal position. The uses of this is resting position and abdominal surgery. So first we're going to get the donut pillow, so to avoid bed sores, along with the small donut pillows. Put it in the shoulder. Ma'am, are you okay? Do you feel comfortable? Then next is put pillow to the buttocks part of the patient.
So, donut pillow, no?
Donut pillow to the buttocks part of the patient to avoid bed sores too, or pressure ulcers. So support the buttocks of the patient. Support the buttocks ng ay. Then get the armrest or arm board. This is also to avoid the bed sores or pressure ulcers. Okay. Then get the footboard to avoid foot drop.
Huwag pa para dili. Wala, para dili siya man. Talagang firm. Another. Support. Para stable.
Then hot dog pillow. Ma'am, I'm going to open your leg.
Kaya, para dili siya.
Put hot dog's pillow outside the hips to avoid external rotation. Okay. Then
Saka. Another.
other pillow.
Dapat mo pa. Dapat side na siya. Hindi naman you can pillow. Basta it will support the hips and the knees. Avoid external rotation.
Avoid external rotation. Then other
Ang heels niya, heel. Nari-contact sa bed.
okay.
Kung may nga doon natin.
Heels for the joints of the patient to avoid joint contracture. Put hot dog pillow in between the legs of the patient to avoid internal rotation. Okay. Then stress ball for the hands of the patient to avoid claw hands. And ma'am, do you feel comfortable?
No.
Be honest, ma'am. Okay. Next.
Okay na ka, lamor?
Dili ko
Sinisiram na sinumuling ka mo ba? Sa may something wrong yan. Para makanti ko noon sa pagka-adjust. Okay na, Mar? Okay
Okay.
na lang?
Then next, remove all
Umano daw.
the materials or devices.
Dili na mo magpan ako ng kanin.
Bro, gigo. Remove all devices. Okay. Then proceed to Rose position. The uses of this is oral surgery, neck surgery, tonsillectomy surgery. So we're going to raise the bed into semi-fowler position.
Pwede mo na ito. Iba. Ito nung sa kuha na yung flow. Okay.
Wala semi-fowler.
Kasi sa semi-powders or modern powders, basta lang may tagong pasyente. Okay.
Ma'am, do you
Tapos?
feel comfortable? Okay. Next is support the shoulder, put pillow,
Hyperextend the neck, no?
hyperextend the neck to show the esophagus of the patient. This is the rose position. Then next is the fowler. So we already did the moderate fowler. So the low fowler is 30 degrees to 45 degrees. The uses is for urination, post-operative recovery to prevent aspiration, and the moderate fowler, which is currently we've done today, 45 to 60 degrees, to improve lung expansion, facial and cranial surgeries. Then high fowler in 90 degrees. So do you feel comfortable, ma'am? The high fowler, the uses of this is feeding tube or insertion, then shoulder surgeries. Next is we're going to do the orthopneic or tripod position. The uses of this is thoracic surgeries, relieve shortness of breath. This is the favorite position of the asthma patient. So get the table and the pillow. So this is the position of the orthopneic or tripod position. Ma'am. Then next,
Ang ginaw, kaya na. One time.
one side.
Kaya na ginawa.
Then next is we're going to do the reverse Trendelenburg position. So remove all devices. So the Trendelenburg position, the head should be higher than the legs. So as is that we siya ma'am ng bed. The bed is already in ano ma'am? No, reverse Trendelenburg. The purpose, the uses of this is head and neck surgeries, reducing intracranial pressure, after abdominal surgery.
Okay, so ang kulang lang to on bed block, no?
Bed
Kana
block.
ibutang sa tiil para magana ang bed. Mamala idea. Pero kana, qualification. Okay, next.
Next is the dorsal recumbent position. So, the uses of this is the urinary catheter insertion or urethral dilation. For dorsal recumbent, abduct the patient's leg, then flex or bend the knee.
Thank you.
Get the small donuts for the joints of the patient to avoid pressure ulcers. Then the stress ball to avoid clawhands of the patient. Then, if the patient cannot hold its knee or the knees are weak, so we're going to support both knees with pillow. Avoid covering the perineal part.
Expose the perineal part.
Sako ang? Unsa man kay balik ko to
And
nakalian
next is the
Yan na lang ako to.
lithotomy position. So the uses of this is bladder irrigation and hysterectomy. So going to remove all devices. Then as is, this is our lithotomy device. So, support the patient's neck. Okay.
Orthopnic
So this is the lithotomy position. Then next is
Ang
the
reverse.
Trendelenburg position.
So ito to me indicated for
Uh, normal delivery,
normal spontaneous vagina.
normal spontaneous vaginal delivery. Trendelenburg position. Next is this uses lower abdominal and pelvic surgeries or shock management. So,
Stop abdominal surgery.
pelvic surgery and abdominal surgery.
Wala pa niya. Wala pa niya kayo.
Trendelenburg to abdominal surgery ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
So, shock management po ni siya, ma'am.
Oo.
Ang
Okay.
pula. Mali eh.
Then next is we're going to put the patient in lateral position. So I'm going to remove all devices.
May kubo.
So get the pillow. Asa pa po. Put pillow.
So that is already
Lateral position.
lateral. Ay, yung kamot na ito.
Put. So raise the nearest arm, then start to serve at the abdomen. Then, count to 3, support the shoulder to bottom of the patient. So, 3.
Kuan pa ba? Kaya pag-proceed mo nag-save, screw, no, na pasyente. So you better pull patients near you to the other side before you let the patient assume the lateral. Para tuloy-tuloy na ba? So yun mo siya dating nag-close. Para di siya tulog. Di pull patient, halos mahulog na sa tigas. Para pag tuyo, tuloy-tuloy na ang safe, screw, na. Sige, gracias.
So first, put patient here to you, body mechanics. Okay.
Halos mahulog sa sige. Try lang. Okay. Tapos, mag-ihag ka mag-safe, mag-ano lateral.
Okay. So raise the sardius and lap, raise the farthest arm, raise the body abdomen.
Wala, nakalimut.
Then flex or bend the knee. Then support the bottom.
Para na siya daan sa tunga.
Position. This is for lumbar punctures or thoracic surgery. So ma'am, do you feel comfortable? Then the stress ball, so avoid claw hands. Then next is the lumbotomy position. So remove pillows and devices. So assist the patient. Okay, ma'am.
Taas na rin. Taas na. Nakita ang pasyente. Kana. Pero na. Kuan man na ang pinaka-idea ko daan na ibutan ng isang pagpilo. Pilo nga ang sulod bus. Wala siya. Sandbag pilo. Ang sulod bus.
Lumbotomy position.
Elevate ba iyang hawak? Dapat elevate iyang hawak. Ay, kuha ko na sa rin.
So this is the lumbotomy position. The uses of this is upper urinary tract surgeries, kidney drainage procedure. The next is the knee chest position. Going to remove all the devices. So in knee chest position, I'm going to support the patient from the buttocks and the shoulders.
Okay, that's very correct yan sa rayo. Ihag din mo ang nose. Okay, next.
Next is the Sims or semi-prone position.
Bones.
Sims or semi-prone position.
Ito yung mga nakasote.
Okay na. Makalimot ko diri yung reverse tendon.
More patient or pressure to
Hmm?
origin or patient
Sa unit up.
falling off. So flex or bend the knee. Raise the farthest arm.
Barato nga ang gulog to. Ako palito.
Then, here's ang abdomen. Do you feel comfortable, ma'am? No? Okay, so I'm going to put the patient's arm with the small donut. Do you feel now comfortable, ma'am?
You need 2 minutes.
Yes.
2 minutes.
Sa'yo na mo, okay na sa likod.
Okay na ako.
Okay na ito. Ako sa likod. So, masaya na. So, patient's preference ginapon. Pero kung po, mama, hindi ka kasi ang preference. So, education again?
Indication is the uses rectal exams or vaginal procedure. Next is the prone position. So, we're going to remove the device again. Then get the small pillow.
Head on love.
Support the patient's head. Then, put small donuts at the joints of the patient or elbows. Then, get the stress ball to avoid blow hands.
Magsik ka na ako sa position. Lohan.
Then, below. To elevate the foot of the patient. And also, so this is the prone position. This is spinal surgeries and back massage. So next is the jackknife position. So we're going to remove the material or the devices. So in jackknife position, I'm going to ask the patient to
Course, paano pa siya position? Kasi di conscious yun eh siya. Conscious and able.
So I'm going to assist the patient to
Yan, good, good, good. Ah, oh.
and then remove then
Pa-picture ko te. Ayun, yan na lang lagi.
indication is uses anorectal surgeries or examination of the rectal area. So I'm done with the patient positioning. I'm going to turn patient back to supine position. Then after.
B, wala gini maka-video.